Hello, this is Amar, and I will be presenting the Aven customer support agent for Head Startup and Co today. And this is a 3-minute video. I also have a detailed explanation of 20 minutes, so I would just suggest you all to watch that one. But let's uh, into this one quickly and explore our agent. So what does our agent do? Our agent is here. It already has some messages, but this is our landing page. It's just a simple landing page with the dark mode working correctly. This is our chat page. Chat page contains you can ask anything. For example, if I take anything from Aven's website, like is there any interest on cash out fee? Let's just ask this one. The thing goes into Pinecone. Honestly, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time because our embedding model, to be honest, our embedding model is hosted on Hugging Face. That takes around 6 to 8 seconds to generate the embeddings, which is really reducing the latency. Yes, but see, interest is calculated out on cash fee. The same here. It also tells you the documents from which it gathers the solution. This is the thing which I implemented. And suppose I ask a new thing which is not a. I ask like, what is banana? What is banana? It doesn't know banana, so it'll just search out its knowledge base and then just tell me that it doesn't find banana. It doesn't have banana in its knowledge base. So how can it tell me? Okay, till then we'll just see the project goals. The project goals were to make a data pipeline that strips data, feed it into Pinecone. The second point was to build a conversational RAG implementation with text and voice. Third one was to implement a robust card lead. And the fourth and last one was to implement tool calling logic for meeting and email. The architecture was this. There's a separate data pipeline here, and this is our web app. And the behind one here, it's the RAG model. The data pipeline works only from scraping and then filtering out and then embedding it into Pine. The uh, app works at the front end, stores the message history, check for guardrails, and then sends the message history and the user's text to the backend where it checks for cache. Cache, if not found in cache, it checks for Pinecone, then it goes to RAG, and if it can't find anywhere, then it will schedule a meeting. It will record everything. After that, it will save the results in the database. It gives us like I do not have information about bananas in Avon's knowledge base. Okay, so if I say like, if you do not have information, can you schedule a meet of me with the team so that I can discuss with them? It should work here too, okay? So Maliva had so for scheduling meetings, let's go to next page where I use different API models. I need to tell about them. For WAPI, the voice agent was Happy AI that was listed in headquarters notes that was very helpful. Jitsi, I found it. It's a free tool for meetings and it's working quite well. Firecrawl is for like ape scraping. I was using Puppeteer or Playwright before, but it was working for some sites, were not working for other sites. So I want a fully solution that works everywhere. So I use Firecrawl and SendGrid for sending emails. Okay, I can send the email to the team. See, let me just show you. I can help facilitate. Could you provide your email address? Okay, so if I provide my email address, uh, Let's just go with r22.5@gmail.com. This is my mail. Please schedule a meeting. Okay, I just asked it to schedule a meeting and it should schedule a meeting. Future editions. See, I told you that I'm working on this from a week and I'm really into this project and I want to improve it furthermore in the future. So what will I do is firstly, I will reduce the latency. I will reduce the latency. I will focus on changing the Hugging Face and everything swaddled into some parts models that can reduce the latency of our app. Implementing I was inspired by how Scotty can share the screen and we can design the architecture there. So I will just try to implement the same features here. We can share the screen. We can just schedule. Okay, the meeting is scheduled. This is the link. Okay, if I just go and check out the email address, this is my email. Uh, what's the message? Okay, the events data set. Just go this one. Uh, Instead of the even, I just added my another me. And see, I received the email request. This is the user email which I entered. This is the mail meeting link, and this is all the message history between the user and the AI. Everything is there, so it works well with sending emails. And if I write something like this is my card number, please include this too as context. It should not include this because the card number is totally a sensitive topic, a protective, secure topic for the C. Your message contains sensitive information, so we will not keep it. For call AI, we can just call it and it should work. And it was working till now. So yeah. Alex, can you tell me about the founders of Aven? Okay. Uh, okay, Alex. Uh, can you tell me about can you tell me about the interest rates of even on different cards or something? No, no, no. Thanks a lot, Evan. Bye. Okay, this was it. And if I just go, I can upload the documents. This was a feature I built for Teams. Most probably it was like, let's just make it quick. Let's just make it under 10 minutes. And okay, we will just change this only. We'll change this to banana is long, tasty, uh, yellow fruit. We will save it. We will just upload it here. Let's just upload it simple quick. Yeah, see, it's uploading. It should be shown in the backend that it's uploading. Yeah, documents upload, documents upload, and here it's uploaded. Here it's uploaded. So if I go back and if I ask, what is yellow, long, and tasty? It should answer banana. From the current uh, current commands. And if you like wonder why didn't I added what is banana, because what is banana is already cached into backend. So if I add it again, see, A banana is described as this, the information found on doc.text that I added. So thank you everyone for watching my this tutorial or the demo. Hope you have a good day. Bye. I suggest you to watch the long one too.